For over 30 years, Homebridge has been making waves in the mortgage industry, climbing the ranks as one of the top lenders in the country. Our dedicated team of new construction experts have the experience and technology to provide you and your buyers with the support they need. We offer a variety of products to create sales for builders and meet the needs of new construction home buyers, including extended rate locks, lock and shop, condo project approval, and more. Our technology and tools work to optimize the experience for our borrowers and builders alike. Homebridge provides market intelligence, buyer demographics, and prospecting strategies. We generate custom postcards, flyers, brochures, and beautiful single property websites to showcase your homes. And don't miss the Sales Lab. It's a builder education series and podcast where we feature top home sales trainers and experts who offer valuable strategies for continuing to excel in this industry.
To learn more about Homebridge, visit homebridge.com.